welcome back. Another edition of Build Your Legacy Insurance Edition podcast. Bill, you're looking good in your pink. Man.
Yeah, man, you too.
Well, thank you. Hey, it's 2 times in basically like 2 weeks.
That's right. That's right.
We just got back from Boston.
Yeah, we sported it in Boston.
Yep, we wore it in Boston up there for our annual SIAA meeting. Had a blast, and
absolutely
a big thing with that meeting, and what I personally like about it is we have the pink evening in Boston.
Kick it off for us for the pink evening. I know you do a day before the pink evening, but
yeah, we do a day, but then we all come together as a group that night and raise some money for a good cause. With it being Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Yeah, Dana-Farber has been a recipient of SIAA and all of us getting together. Yep. To donate money. And I believe Matt Masiello sent out a message earlier, and I think it was $88,000 this year.
Yep.
That went to Dana-Farber Institute for the Cancer
Research. Yep. Which is, I think we've all been touched by it in some fashion or another over the years. And so it's great to give back and support, institutions like that.
Yeah, absolutely. And it is a cool evening to see everybody dressed in their pink.
Yeah. You and I wear shirts, right?
That's right.
But there are some flamboyant individuals, and it's awesome to see the pride they take and the flair they have.
Yeah. So, shoes, jackets, you name it.
You name it. There's some people that are all in, right?
That's right. And the carrier partners do a great job supporting it too. So it's not just
us.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. No, but it's a great evening. It's a great time, right? Just in general to go up there and be with all of our colleagues from across the country, not just locally, right?
Perfect time to be in Boston.
Yeah, it's a perfect time, which Boston's a great city. I love going up there. There's a lot of great food, naturally. But, it's a great time to get together. Like you said, I go in a day earlier than you and get together with other people who do kind of what I do across the country. And it's invaluable time to sort of talk about, skill sets and different things that people are seeing, and really just collect insights and data in some fashion to where we can come back to our members and help them more.
Yeah, I think both of us invest better part of a week being there in Boston. And I do believe it's because it's so important for us to have that interaction with our partners, our partner carriers, but also our fellow partner master agencies throughout the country to exchange those ideas.
Yes. Yeah. We talk all the time, right? Hey, this relationship's one that gives you national resources, but with that local feel.
That's right.
And this is it come to fruition, right?
Yeah. And I would say most people don't hold back anything. So the good news is if they are helping agents do something really cool in another state, they're sharing it. So that way we could do the same thing here. And likewise, if we're doing something really good, you're sharing it or I'm sharing it to others. So that way they can help their partners.
Yeah. It's all about getting better, right?
That's right.
It's football season. And I know one of the things you hear all the time, like iron sharpens iron, right?
That's right.
And that's really what it is, it's all of us coming together to benefit our members on the local level.
Can't say it enough.
No, cannot.
Great meeting and great interaction, and it gives us a lot of things to do when we get back.
100%. I love the fact that it's in the fall because it's one of those things you're racing to finish the year, but it really helps give you that energy level to be motivated going into next year, right? Because you're learning so much, and you're going, okay, hey, these are things that we can come put into play and make us better.
Yeah, absolutely.
So big news in Boston. It wasn't just all fun and games, right? There was a big announcement that came out from SIAA.
As soon as we walk in the door, you can see it. SIAA NXT.
Yes, it was everywhere. They even had signage on the elevators.
Yeah, they did.
Which was a new one for me. But it was a big announcement, from one of the big investments that SIAA, which does a great job of this in general, is making into the organization to help our members throughout the country, not just locally, but throughout the country, really, go to the next level as agencies.
Yeah. Hey, look, right when we were rolling it out to everybody, it was hitting the Insurance Journal.
Yep.
Insurance Journal did an article October 15th. I believe people can look that up.
Yep.
As well. We'll put it in the
We'll put it in we'll put a link in the description.
We'll link it for everybody.
Yes,
but
yes,
it really helps explain it and what SIAA is doing to elevate really AI and the AI optimization of what's going to happen and what's happening actually right now.
It was a huge theme just in general, not only from us, but even the carrier partners up there.
Oh,
right?
Yeah, for sure.
And, really what this platform is going to do, it's a few different suite of products, it's an AI driven solution that is going to allow members to collect data, and be, have better submissions. It's going to allow them to see insights into their agency, where growth opportunities are, things of that nature. It's going to help improve their relationships with their carrier partners. It's going to help them with their submissions. It's going to help them at the end of the day be a more data driven agency that should help them grow and write more business and be more successful.
Yeah. I mean, I would say I would never accuse myself of being a first adopter on a whole lot of things.
Right.
But if you're not jumping on the AI and technology bandwagon right now, you're going to be so far behind. It is just changing so quickly.
It is.
And insurance has always been one of those. A couple of years ago, it was InsurTech, and it was kind of weird. It was kind of clunky. But AI in insurance is real.
It is real.
I mean, it is helping our agency greatly. It's helping our partner agencies greatly. Yep. It's helping our carriers greatly. And if we don't continue to evolve with it and come up with the right products to help our partners and our agencies, you may not exist anymore.
Right. No, I completely agree. Right. It's one of those where you got to get on board with it and be ready to move forward. And it's exciting to be part of an organization that is so forward thinking and that is willing to make those investments to help the members.
And that's the key. I was thinking the same thing is, with the SIAA investments for all of us on all of our behalves.
Correct.
It's helping us and all of our partners.
100%.
And we couldn't do that alone.
Right. Well, you and I talk a lot about markets and money, and they are extremely important, right? But it's these things that aren't little things that are really going to help carry our network, our industry into the future.
As I can tell with you, and hopefully you can with me, I'm excited.
Yeah, as am I. As am I. So
I think this is going to be a fun time. I think the end of this year is going to be awesome, and going into 2026 is going to fly with this technology.
I completely agree. Right, sky's the limit, and I'm ready to get this stuff rolling out to not only our current members, but even the prospective ones that we're working with to really help them go to that next level.
Yep. So. Awesome, man. Well, look,
buddy.
It's good seeing you. It's been a couple of days, I guess, since we were in Boston.
Been a few days, but hey, great to see you, and keep rocking that pink, buddy.
Yeah, man. All right, have a good one.
See you guys.
Thanks for tuning in. You can catch our Build Your Legacy Insurance Edition podcast on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcast. Be sure to subscribe, leave us a review, or send us over a topic recommendation at podcast@siaofnc.com. If you're interested in learning more about what we do, visit us online at www.siaofnc.com. We hope you enjoyed our newest episode. See you next week.